everybody, and welcome to some Adrian's World. And we are actually going to be playing a game called it's Demolition Derby. And Merry Christmas. Make sure you like and subscribe. Now, let's get right into the demolition. Yeehaw! Oh, I'm about to break all these people's ankles, no cap. Come on. Alright, so ready, I'm about to get him. Right there. I saw it. You got Logan. Logan Paul, get over here. Alright, I've got a target locked. His name's Logan. Alright, bet. Come here, kid. I'm gonna break your ankles. I'm gonna break your ankles and I'm gonna make them soggy so I can eat them. Oh, I'm going high flying. Oh my god. Come on. Got him. It's kind of like bumper cars, no cap. Cause I be coming around the mountain when he come. I don't know the rest of the song. I don't know the lyrics, so I'm just gonna be playing some Demolition Derby today. Cause I be coming around the mountain when he come. I don't know the rest of the song. There you go, Alex, please get off of me right now. That was a great performance by me. Subscribe to Adrian's World. Follow my TikTok account. It's called Adrian's World 10, no spaces. Yes, thank you. And let's go flying. Woo! That was epic. That was epically epic. Come on, kid. I'm about to break your ankles. I'm gonna crack your ankles. I'm gonna break your ankles. I'm gonna crack your ankles. I'm gonna destroy your ankles. Bro, why is my car so slow? Like, actually. Right there. Oh, I missed him. Oh, that drifting though? Like, actually? Oh, I just destroyed him. Oh, those ankles. Oh, I just destroyed those ankles. What is up? You just got caught in 4K. Oh. Alright. Did I actually just do that? I just broke his ankles? Like, kid? Logan. Nope. Logan, get over here. Logan. Where are you? Hey. That's it. Let's go and drift again because, why not? I like drifting. Yeah. Let's get a lot of speed. Oh. Where are you, Logan? Alright. He got away this time. Let's get more speed. I'm about to hit the curb. Alright, good. Where are you? Come here. Oh! That's what I thought! Oh! I just won that! What's up? I just won that! Alright, that's the end of this video. I just won. Like and subscribe. Follow my TikTok, Adrian's World 10, no spaces. Peace.